Business people would tell you that stationary trucks on the roads may have a dire impact on the economy. Well, this happened at the weekend on the N3 between the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, where several trucks were among those who were stuck due to the heavy snow. The bad weather brought the country's busiest highway to a standstill, delaying cargo from reaching its destination. Provincial Secretary of the National African Federation Chamber of Commerce in KwaZulu-Natal, France Ntlapo, says estimated losses can run into billions.
The N3 sees thousands of trucks daily transporting goods worth billions. And then when the N3 is blocked, the direct cost to logistics companies can increase, the fuel usages, the driver overtime, penalties for late deliveries. And the estimators suggest that revenue losses just in logistics alone can reach $1 million of rand. Perishable goods for sectors dealing with perishable items like food, flowers, pharmaceuticals, financial losses are immediate and very, very severe. The wider impact, overall impact cost, including indirect impact like reduced of business operation, missed sales opportunities, and cascading effects across the multiple industries, can easily push the estimated loss to over billions when one is reached with cases where the N3 is blocked between Johannesburg, Gauteng, and KZN. What can be learned from this? Really, one can never prepare enough because you never know, when it's going to hit you and how it's going to hit you. So the only thing that one can say is that, when you learn from such devastating situation, the response is that one has to be prepared.